everybody. What I want to do is show you a little bit about the no lead ink assignment because I don't want you to get frustrated. So I am going to get on the assignment and I want to do at least one of them for you. Now my screen is going to look a little bit different than yours, but I'm just getting into the preview of the connectors assignment so I can give you a little bit of feedback on how to do this. So you are going to have 5 topics. You can see them, and each one is going to be 2 points. This is just for completion, so you can miss different questions. You can go back and do them. So I'm going to start with correcting comma splices and fused sentences. That's where you don't have sentences divided up the way they should. So I'm going to hit begin. Now, like I said, this example might be a little bit different than the one you have, but I just want to show you the main thing that you are doing with this assignment, okay, this section of the assignment, is you're trying to divide the sentences where it's logical. Now, for this one, it says, Joan of Arc is not afraid of snakes. She wants to adopt one as a pet. Well, when you look at it, you see that it's divided into 2 sentences. So what you can do is take the semicolon and slide it between the 2 sentences. Joan of Arc is not afraid of snakes. She wants to adopt one as a pet. So that makes sense, so I'm going to hit submit. Now another question, Tom Brady is not a very good chess teacher. I still don't understand how the knight moves. Now I could put a semicolon in the middle of it, but I could also put a period. So you have more than one way that you can do this. So I think to myself, Tom Brady is not a very good chess teacher. That's the end of the sentence. So I'm going to take the period and I'm going to slide it down so it takes the place of the comma. That's what you're doing. So now we have a capital I, so that makes sense. Again, I could still have a semicolon here, but I'm picking a period. Okay, I'll do one more with you to show you, okay? F. Scott Fitzgerald's basement flooded during a rainstorm. That's the end of the thought, that's a period. He had to carry water out by the bucketful. Well, when I look at that, I think, wow, that sounds good. So I will hit submit. So what you guys are going to do is pick the proper punctuation, and it gets more difficult with time. So what I would say is just be patient, watch the tutorial and go through it. What I might do is come back in the future with another video from another one of the subtopics if I think that it's something that's going to be difficult or if I have students ask me to. Remember, this assignment is 10 points. It's 2 points for each one of the 5 topics. So remember to do all 5 topics. Don't just stop after one. Thanks, guys. Hope you're doing well. Goodbye.